On Sunday, there were reports that Iranians attempting to leave their country and cross into Turkey were prevented from doing so at the Kapıköy border crossing. On Monday, the Turkish Trade Ministry confirmed this decision. According to the statement, passenger crossings at border gates with Iran have been suspended, while cargo traffic continues under controlled conditions. The ministry did not specify a reason for the move, saying only that developments in the region are being closely monitored. Dozens of Iranians were seen at the border on Monday crossing back into Iran, with some saying they had lost contact with family members and were returning to check on their loved ones. At the Iranian side of the Kapıköy crossing, the national flag was replaced with a black flag, signaling a period of mourning as the conflict continues. Turkey's decision marks a notable contrast to its approach during the Syrian conflict, when Ankara maintained an open-door policy for civilians fleeing the fighting. Meanwhile, several Gulf countries hosting U.S. bases have been drawn into the conflict following Iranian retaliation strikes. So far, however, no attacks have been reported on NATO member Turkey, despite the presence of key U.S. facilities in the country.